In this segment, we're going to cover removing the turn signal or combination switch assembly. We've already removed the access panels. To remove the switch, we need to remove 2 screws in the front of the switch. In order to gain access to do that, if the steering wheel's in this position, we need to rotate the steering wheel about 45 degrees so that this is vertical, giving us access. If you have a locking steering wheel, this might lock and you'll need a key. Unlock the wheel. And just position the wheel so it's vertical, and that gives you good accessibility to these 2 screws. Previously, I showed you where I selected a long screwdriver, and this is primarily the reason for it. After removing the 2 screws, the switch assembly just kind of snaps into the side of the steering column. Now this will vary a little bit from make and model in different cars. They all have a little bit different accessibility or procedures required. It just snaps right out. And now we need to disconnect the electrical connector, which is done by pushing in on the tab. Just wiggle it a little bit and it should disconnect. This is our old turn signal switch assembly. We've now got it removed. Please watch our next segment on replacing the turn signal switch or combination switch assembly.